Okay, like a doy she ain't como you. Okay, like a doy she ain't como you. Ameniach le yamoy, biyom Shabbos kotsho. ויחולו השמיים ואורץ וכל צבאום ויחל אלוקים ביום השביעי מלאכתו יושר עושו
Hello
יבורך אלוקים יום השביעי
and welcome members to the Friday live. Samen gaat wachten, maar als we geven hit the like button. Gaat dat langer easy geweest. Hoger. Cool zoeken. Dus 100% positively, nicht kein financial advice. So please, be very careful. Leer nicht aus, wie sie mit trade. Stimmen nicht der Sache. So please be very careful. Ochet, we got some good news today. And is July 4th. Happy Independence Day, America. What a day, what a day. Yankee T. Geht morgen, geht näher Shabbos, geht näher Weekend. Sehen wir der Herzlacher ankommen. What's going on, February? How are you, Yankee? Happy 4th of Easter. Not Easter. It's the 7-4. Brooklyn. I get near Shabbos, get near weekend. Happy 4th of July. How are you? Sind wir zurück, eine Woche später. Und dann sind wir zurück. Erev Shabbos. Erev Weekend. Jede Woche werde ich happy. There's nothing you know. Ich werde nicht bored with him. I remember last year, it was a joke about Biden. Ich sitze da mal so, ich spiele mich da mal so, there's nothing really to trade. But I decided that I will come on live because I want to, I don't want to, I don't know, nicht gehen live fertig, for the members. For a few minutes bin ich herübergekommen, you know. How was your day, Brooklyn? And it's just time we can trade in baseball cards, huh? We need to be grateful for such a country that we're in. What a country! What a country to be in. Wunget sind du DJ AVK, but der Shabbos nicht gehen, aber fuhrt zu schnell von 1 Song zu 2. It's not the Jetzt gehen wir runter mit Schmilli Sickes Shabbos und auch gehen wir jetzt mit unser regular scheduled programming mit Rega. I'm celebrating by breathing, cooking, a few other things. That's what I know how. Sam, jeder eine celebrates seinen Weg. Don't you be embarrassed about anything. If that's how the way you say thank you, we all appreciate you, Sam. Do you ever say this? Don't let anybody be in your way. Weißt du, wenn man geht zu andere Cultures oder man geht zu Menschen in der Amazon, haben sie seine Mine wegen für celebrating, right? Sie tanzen at a fire oder sie, you know, they do all their things that they do. It might be funny for us, but that's how they celebrate. It's a beautiful wetter in those. Möchten wir nach heimgekommen für Suffering, für Monsi. Und der ganze 17, ich nehme mich der Truhe, Sam, ich nehme der 17. Can you guess why? And happens to be nechten, das ist inconvenient, but ich nehme eigentlich come out der 17, nicht der Truhe. Es sind genau so viele Minivans heading upstate. Seltzer guy. Gitten Sie morgen, gitten ihr auf Shabbos, gitten ihr auf Weekend. Ich kann fahren, du sein in der Früh. Ich kann fahren daran checken. was a crazy accident yesterday next to me. Luckily, Nissa, 5 women survived. Ooh. Yeah, that could be some. They were involved in the accident and they survived, or just because there were 5 women in a car. That's choking. Wenn du suchst next to dir, meinst du, du bist gewesen in der Car und das gedreift und es geschehen next to dir, oder? Give us more details. Mejo vorkumi, livshi migdei sifartechami, Hamyamen Ishai Vesahi Kol Nafshike Yulon. Look, I'm moving again off the highway. I went grocery shopping, 2 minivans. They had a head-on collision. I was there for the game. I'm excited. It's so crazy. Well, it's a head-on collision. Wow. The head-on collision things? Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Viggy, I sent you 1 minute music video. It's really nice. Wie ist denn mir das geschickt auf Gmail? Wo suchst du da? Ich weiß, das ist du, in dem allein Gott. Wenn die viel Sorg, wenn die viel Freude, weiß, als in mir versteht, als Sound der Wiesnitzer. Danke, Tis an der Wiesnitzer. Shema Yisroel, know that there is but one God above. When you feel pain, when you rejoice, know we lost to hear your voice. Hashem Elokeinu, Hashem Echad. Nice. Brooklyn, a head-on collision is one of the worst, I feel like, collisions. Because its impact, like... So Brooklyn, years ago, when I was on the highway, and there was a guy who was with a pickup truck, like 3-4 cars in front of me. All of a sudden, a gust of wind came. Alles ist rausgeflogen für sein Car. Ich habe avoided ein paar Sachen, but I hit a chair. A fiesel von a Benko. Behind me, someone was trying to avoid it. It's gonna roll over, like 3-4 times roll over. Like as a tumble type of, like, you know, like 4 or 5 times. Still remember it. Ich gebe mir Kick in den Spiegel, ich mache mal 3 aus und ich nenne just on the bright on the highway. Send you the dash cam clip. Let's go to the dash cam. Hold on. Time to download. Hold on. Don't play it live. Oh. Cancel that. Huh? You should say that before, you know. Ich lach nicht, sei aus. Just the way wir so eigentlich habt und der Mall, wenn etwas geschehnt. A minivan, a Sienna. Oh, wow. Distracted driver, wusste das? Drivers that are not meant to be on the road.
Git Shabbos, git Shabbos. Git Shabbos, git Shabbos, git Shabbos. Heilige Shabbos, süße Shabbos. Git Shabbos, git Shabbos.
Git Shabbos and süße Shabbos. Cell phone. Command us a fellow worse for drunk driving, to be honest. Yiddish shiny full love so you do Mizmiro is nuriyalo boy arbo sholo You might zoeken zelf van video, oder?
Hashem, Shir Chodash, Shir Hashem Kaloretz, Shir Hashem Barchi Shemai, Asri Meyayim Leyayim Yeshiyusoi,
Yeah. Texting while driving, listening to a call sound. La 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 Shemen Shemayim Moso
Oboy beyobo dalevefuna Oiz veires be migdushay
Ay
Hashem mishbechoy zami Uvil Hashem kuvoy vuoy Uvil Hashem gevoy shemoy Sehim min chuyivoy
Kaimo was there. Yeah, I mean, hij vliegt toch nog H-Base 503 or 602. Like, I don't know if he does it because I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out why he does the ganze radio thing, and is that something he does, or he makes fun of them, or it's he doesn't care, or he really enjoys it. Oy 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 Yashmahin Look at a video of lifted up steps in a red serik to the radio, but he's not obviously talking in the radio, like he's not pressing the buttons, but is he making fun of other people, or this is where he gets me confused. Yossi Brave. Good morning. Today we are having coffee together. Happy 4th of July, Chevra. Happy freedom. We're living in the best country in the world. We are so grateful. We should be so grateful. With all our problems. In the history that we know of, let me repeat, the history that we know of, noch is gewesen as a good country ever, as we know of. With all her problems, because Gunish can is perfect anyways. I'm saying, like, the chances of things being perfect is schlimm to none, I tell you. How are you, Yossi? Are you still walking? Are you still keeping up the walks? Or do we have to come in there? Keer nemen van hier. Keer nemen van hier. Heute schiege die de Schemmen, schir goed das. Loy, mine goy.
ba 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 khatzoy tsroy ve ka ba 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 el shofar
Tinidom.
lifnay amelech Hashem
I was busy for the last 2 weeks, so I didn't quite keep up. And plus, it's hot weather doesn't help. No, the weather doesn't help. But because my heart a busy week, then is the most important sevak. It will help you with your busyness. And this is the malaf in Wacken. It could be 5 minutes. It doesn't have to be 3 hours. That's the gestuntin special. You know, you put on your watch, 5-minute timer, and you just walk out. The Iranian parliament had passed a law imposing death penalty. The death penalty for collaborating with countries like USA, Israel. Sie haben uns in the Israelis gelabelt corruption on earth. Points haben sie, because America is like a wild child. Wie sagt man das? A wild in a china shop, no? A wild donkey in a china shop? So Yossi, it's the times versus the meeste schwer is where it's necessary. But Ganeshov, please start walking again. Ich dachte mir, dass ich das walken. What game am I playing on the screen? So heißt Reverse Psychology Game. Die pick soll raufgehen, geht es rauf. Die will soll raufgehen, geht es rauf. You try to reverse psychology it reverse psychologies you. Was denn? Ob man macht Option I. Oh, das ist Option I, dreht in der ganze Screen. It's a new type of Tetris, yeah. It's a Tetris ay. That's what it is. It's the new Tetris ay. The casino is closed, but besides for the Tetris game in the hallway, lot man of you know, the slot machine in the airport, arbeit noch, and the addictive people are still sitting there and playing. Ich spiel Mustafa Zaiden, this is alles games. Sam, Rav Menschen haben es ausgelassen. Sam. But he was number one anyways, regardless of the sitch. Don't you get it twisted in your head. This is just YouTube trying to keep up to see. But in general, there's obviously not financial advice, right? Closing stamp wissen, though. It's much harder to stay consistent when having a job, a family, and other stuff going on. Yes. I agree with you there, Yossi. I agree. This is it's definitely not easy. But Yossi, to be honest, they Sachen, like walking, is going to help you with all that. You get what I'm saying? You have what's going on here? You have a whole day to with your brain. Small window. It's to say wie wichtig a window is, you know? Even just do to encourage it, you know? Definitely nicht zu poor, if you get what I'm saying. In just a machazik dan sigar meer in water, that's all, to be honest. Nothing more, nothing like... Nope. Welcome. Whenever the ending fängt sich der Mann macht es von der. Welcome to the play. Intentisch. Yeah, I really appreciate it. I'm just explaining my day. Yep. We're listening, Yasin. We're listening. Jeder einer hat sich difficulties, you know? And dance, you gotta figure it out around it, you know? But auch es geht auf die kleinen Sachen, weil man geht zu einem Store, parkt man nicht der Erste. Man will etwas tun, geht man mal wacht. I'm just saying, sie also wie a Sach, was fit heran in alles, also wie Salz. Fit heran in alles, kamat. That is walking. Exercise, eine Sache, like wenn einer geht to the gym oder einer läuft, like 5 Mal, kann ich laufen überall. But walking, you can put in anywhere. Kommst du zu a building, nimmst du nicht den Elevator. Nimmst die Steps. Kommst du zu a parking lot, du siehst nicht der erste parking lot. Du parkst wat, wachst daran in the building. Die meine Sachen. Geh shopping, parkst wat. Hast 10 Minuten, gehst du walken in den Block, oder die gehst du walken am Block, whatever that means, you know? That is the idea, to expand. Like the letzte, wenn ich gehen 100 degrees, bin ich rausgegangen walken, 5 Mal straight. Ich habe gewalkt zu den Corners zurück. Ab 10 Mal mit dem Tag. Whenever ich habe gekannt. But it's nicht nur the walk, it's the mentality around it, it's the constant doing of besser zu sein is what makes the thing, you know? What's wrong with expanding that we're unhappy? It's an unhappy state. Keiner congratulates sich nicht. Weißt in Fiddler on the Roof singt if I was a rich man, my wife would have a double chin. Jene Zeiten, a double chin, a gemeint Hand a double chin meint bist obese and full. For the most part, nicht jeder eine, denn verstehst du cases. So when I expand the belt, is man nicht happy. The knees are nicht happy. The brain is nicht happy. Ich habe gesagt, ich habe mir zurück umgezogen, die Idee, ich ging auf a 72, 48-hour water fast. Nicht zu verlieren, just the energy, the brain energy, was ich gehabt nachdem. There was nothing better. Really, the energy. Aufgelegt, geht. I think I'm gonna do it in the next few days. Actually, nächste Woche. Shabbos, koide. Shabbos, koide. Heilige Shabbos. Hilinadadai. Lechtige Shabbos. Shabbos, koide. Shabbos, koide. Heiliger Shabbos. Lechtige Shabbos. Yo, mama. Fili doye. Shabbos. Who's this Schwartz? Meaning, what am I missing? Bu 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 Shabbos. Bu Shabbos. Hey bu 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 Shabbos. Bu 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 Shabbos. Bu menichu. This is Schwartz. This is Schwartz. This is Weiss. No? Bu menichu. Shabbos, 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 Koyde. Shabbos, Shabbos, Koyde. Heilige Shabbos. Heilige Shabbos. Shabbos, Shabbos, Koyde. Heilige Shabbos. Heilige Shabbos. Oh. Weißt, ich such das, kommt jede Freitag. We need to work on heranbringen the vibe. Heranbringen the Shabbos, the weekend vibe. The feeling. Und nicht jede Woche fühlt man es. Und weil man fühlt es nicht jede Woche, meint nicht, als die Woche, was man fühlt es nicht, is not to work on it. Should always work on it. And it's like waves. Die Woche hast du fühlst es nicht, weil sie geht daran in der Bank. Und auch die nächste Woche kannst du es herausnehmen. You know what I'm saying?
עלייכם מלאך הישולוים מלאך הישולוים
wenn man sieht andere Sachen, muss man nicht aufgewachsen mit Holidays, fühlt man fühlt nicht die Connection. Man versteht das nicht. It's nothing to do with you. Aber die Sachen, wo du bist hier aufgewachsen mit, jetzt as an adult, you can tap into them. You could use them to your benefit. Nicht die Woche, nein. July 4 is usually hectic. Maar toch, het gaat nog eens samengesteld, nog eens samengemacht man gear. I used to use my car for camping, but it puts a lot of stress on my car, and I don't wanna sort of kill my car. One of the reasons I will a Cybertruck, you know. One of the reasons, so I can go camping. Camping, schlepping Sachen. One day, Viggy. But in the next few weeks, I'm planning on going camping. Happens to be in Zgeimer, we're gonna clean up the garage and machen allemaal gear into one place. Thank you, Brooklyn. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. I feel like it's a vehicle for the next 20 years, you know? The future is lechter. The idea is tough, you know, the outside is as a metal. Hang on, off-roading a bissel. Off-roading meinig is crazy. Off-roading meinig like kind of campsites. Fuhren off a dirt road. And not lose a bumper, you know? I have also the idea if you go to a campsite, can't unplug it on Cybertruck, on Tesla, whatever. As long as it's parked garden and recharging. And just like gehirige plugs and stuff. So soon. It's ugly as well. But might just I don't know. Is it ugly? To do angles from the car was definitely not good looking, like nebachi. Aber it's the other features around it, you know. Hast a beautiful Naya Ford pickup truck, Dodge pickup truck, okay? Let's put it that way. That's a beautiful Dodge pickup truck. Coiden Engines is running out of style. Maintenance, oils, machines, belts. Tesla, still, quiet, battery. Tot problems, kein Karren is perfect. But auch you drive out of the campsite, in die kratzt daran an a boim, the neue F-150 hat jetzt a kratz durch the ganze bed, the ganze car. The Tesla doesn't, because it's metal. ישתחווה.
אל מילה דורך וביירב לאי וביירב לא ידידו יסך ומינוי פסציף
Weil sie kommen raus mit der neue Escalade. All of a sudden fängt man zu sehen, der alte Escalades. Like, what were they thinking? You know what I mean? But that's how it goes. The new comes out and it makes the old one look obsolete. Certain cars, they geblieben shine like sort of forever. He has to come up with a minivan? The Naya Ys is pretty nice. The new Ys are very, from the body, very nice. But that was on body positivity, huh? Wrap around. Gezelt, Shabbos Kodnei Heilig Kiddush of the ganze Welt, Giboy Shuvas Kai Mikol Anachto, Abruchem Fil Maruchem, Zokim Ben Avmat Gitzel, Shabbos Kodesh,
Shabbos Kodesh Heilige
Just saying, we should be very lucky that we have it. That we have it. Dee la 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 la. Tirina ra 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 kedei yemen sheyev kedei men verachamin Oivar alini V'masayini Leira parabina Tili la 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 la. Malchayam Elohim Ono Melech Malchayam Elohim. By the way, Brooklyn, the accident with this Megashiv, the video, makes me think like, jetzt haben wir ins Du. Mir Daya, wer weiß, wo's weiß man. Things can change in a minute. So, hog ze wie lang ze zijn aan doen. Red ze wie lang ze zijn aan doen. Because then, after that second, you could wish and want and do and think and lachen and cry and whine and nothing will change. So now that you can do it, do it. Life is fragile, you know. Shot yourself on while driving, yes. Yes. En hier darf ook het patch van hem. Hier darf ook het patch van hem. Hier ben apart van de patch gappers. Hier darf gappen tremendously a lot of patch. Not gonna lie on that. In deze ogen, Brooklyn. Ik ben gevoerd in een Cybertruck, we zijn toen Autopilot. En dus voert dat light. Waar je safer de road is. Wenn de machine voert dat light. I don't think it's safer. All right, let's. Can we dig into this? Bist schon gesessen in Azakar und gefahren mit Autopilot? Let's start the question there. Hast du schon experienced? Beide Spinker pflegt sich changen the package bei der Nick. Pflegt sich der Osteen. What happened? It will try to avoid it as much as possible. Het had een snelle reaction bij humans. En ook de car is een safer car, sterkere car, gebouwd. With all that, yeah. I mean, you can't avoid everything, Brooklyn. Like, what's about plain food? Like, there's things that you could avoid and things that you can. But the question should start, look, we should go in an experience, sitzen in a car and somebody turning on the autopilot and experiencing that drive. Because if the answer is no, it's not something you understand until you sit into the car. Es ist nicht eine Sache, wo du kannst verstehen. Ich will nicht reden von der Comfortability von der Car oder die Hostel der Car as a whole. That program itself. Du weißt, wenn die wächst auf der Gas und einer kommt da kriegen dir, dann sag mal, hast du die right-left movement, like, okay, you're going right, you're going left. A car is schneller mit dem. A computer decision, I mean to say. Ist auch schneller. Ich darf kaufen mal a chair. Man, well, the chair was genutzt, and it's gewesen man chair. Sie gehen einem chair and he took it back, he needed it. Ich darf kaufen mal a Benkel. Welche Benkel soll ich kaufen? Weil der Benkel geht mir gericht weiter. The spare Benkel. So I need to buy a new chair. If anybody has a new chair, ideas, like welche office chair, laat me wissen. Please. Nicht vergessen, der Vibe bei dir in der Hand. The vibe bei dir in der Hand is up to you. Tesla makes an office chair. What? They make an office chair? Quick. Wie was when? Are you kidding me here? Or are you pulling my leg, sir? Well, deze gaat maar gefährliche Regenweit op de winkel. And cannot go on that way. Now I void we love for the noid and is my khali I met do me na beruch hoy Kela yenuvu boys Shubu loy mekana narara Hi, mama, 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 ay, 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 ay. This is an official chair. Other steps up. It doesn't seem like Tesla chair. The term Tesla chair refers to a medical device known as the Tesla chair, the Ultra Tesla seat, was functional. What's an Ishvin Tesla itself? It's just the Newman Tesla chair. Ultra Tesla seat, I don't know what that means. But they would sell it on their website now. If they have it, they would sell it on their website. Let's go to their website. Shop. The bags, cups, mugs, kleine cars. Sie haben nicht kein Chair. Ich sehe nicht kein Chair, let's put it that way. But ich darf kaufen mal Bänkel. Echt mal ganz Costco or BJ's and kaufen mal a gaming chair or something. Mama. Brooklyn, aber sie sind Lechtiger. Thank you for being here. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it short also in a few minutes. Shkoyach fahren Duzan. Shkoyach fahren Duzan. Means the Lord. Alright, Chevre. Sie kommen in der Zeit, wie man darf sagen goodbye. Darf sagen, darf sich sagen. Wir geben mich koich für alle members die wir doing now. I really do appreciate it. And for alle likers, I appreciate you. Wir sagen mich koich für den Dosan. Viele der sind mich sind auf andere Tabs. Ich mache mir YouTube Tabs. I really do appreciate you all. I want to wish you, bless you. You should have an awesome Shabbos, an amazing weekend. And vergessen nicht, the vibe is up to dir. Nicht jeden Tag you might feel it, nicht jede Woche you might get it, but the more you work on it, the better it will become. All right? Have a lovely and awesome one. Until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace. So, wir gesehen, der Herzlacher ankommen. Appreciate.